Our washing machine destroyed my Ecco sandals. Because that we bought. Be careful with your washing machine, it can be like this. If it's stuck to disc here, it stuck and they rotate and destroyed my sandals. Okay, because that we bought 2 new ones. The summer is coming and new one is like that. We bought it with discount, 50 euros for each. And now we have new sandals like this. And like this. €50 too. And the sole is good. The quality is good. I like it. And another one. Yeah. Let's try it. Powered by receptor technology. What is it, receptor technology? I don't know. But looks good. Okay. It's convenient. Yes, the sandals are very convenient. You can change all hooks and loops as you wish, as it will be convenient for your feet. Like this. You can see, like this. With 3 hooks and loops. Yeah, it's good. Very convenient. Very good. Awesome. And another one. Oh, this is another type of hooks and loops. Ecco. Okay. Let's try them too. This will be trekking. This is good trekking for long walking distance. For sport, yeah. This one. And this one will be for to walk to my walk, maybe. It's more convenient hook, like this. Like this. Yeah, it's convenient too. Try it. Like this. It's convenient too. These sandals convenient too, but for me that type I like more. But it's okay too. It will be good. I used to wear both more than 2 weeks, and after that testing they are good. Ecco Offroad and Ecco X-TRINSIC M. Both are awesome piece of shoes. They are really awesome. I like them both and I will use them both. For summer I do not have any better in my life. It's a very good piece of shoes. I like it. I will show you. It's very good. I used to wear these shoes too, and these sandals are good too. Perfect.